Rooftop solar plants are most efficient way to cultivate solar energy. But most challenging part is module cleaning. Excessive manpower, water wastage, safety. Solavio designed autonomous robots to make module cleaning easier and cost-effective. %100% dry cleaning. Reduces O&M cost. Reliable and easy to operate. Lightweight. Easy to transport. Can be operated by 5 different modes. IoT dashboard. Remote control ranging up to 1 kilometer. SMS. Timer for daily cleaning. Manual on and off switch. Display. Thermal imaging camera. Surveillance camera. Edge detector. Anti-fall braking system. 360-degree turn. Onboard PV panels for self-charging. Working status LED. Missing panel detection. Solavio. Intelligence, value, convenience.